enter my factory. I have one work. I should to make or rebuild a pin, and one of these are already done. And why I make a video, because this material is chilled or hardened. Here I can file it. I can file this, but I can't file this. So I installed a cutting tool with ceramic tip, and it should to bite it. Also, surface of this material is chromed, and I take some rags, and I want to protect my machine away from chromium dust. I'm not sure, but as you see here is like a small metallic petals. It's like a shiny little bit, and it's chromium dust, and it's not good when it stucks between moving machine parts. So let's roll. Maybe you can notice dust what comes up from parts. Speed is 500 RPM. Speed is 0.2 per revolution. I can say one thing, never just pull back a tool like I did with a rapid feed. Always pull back tool away from workpiece. I mean, this with ceramic tips, it's break very fast, and as you've seen, I pull back a tool away from workpiece, and then I run carriage from start. Okay, so it looks for now. Surface is fine. This is too good. After I finish this, I should to clean up machine very well. So, thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.